Yeah, it's a new pickup I just got. It's a 540i. Got it for a good deal. Needs a lot of work actually. Not really a lot, but got minor stuff like that. That wheel was actually do it before me bent it, but he did. Got a lot of stuff coming for this car. Interior's pretty clean, you know, typical 97 wear. Sorry if it's pretty windy out. Other than that, well, not bad condition. Need a new front grille. I'm gonna get the M5 front bumper and rear bumper. Probably get new wheels. It does have exhaust. Show you a few clips in a little bit. Oh yeah, it does have a 528i trunk. I guess a dude backed into a tree. This is the reason why this shit happened. But yeah, here, let me give you some clips on how it sounds. Yeah, it sounds pretty nice. I'm gonna be getting cats removed sometime soon. We'll make a video on that. But yeah, this is my new car I picked up. Don't have the Cadillac no more. I guess stay tuned for stuff with this, and I'm about to be replacing this trim. This trim's ugly. I don't like the flashy wood grain. They'd probably be going with the black graphite. But yeah, stay tuned.